Hello, everybody. My name's Rick McCutcheon. I'm a Dynamics 365 MVP, and I'm here today on Partner Talks with Chris Moffett from Purely CRM. Chris, say hello and introduce yourself to the people.
Hi, I'm Chris. So I'm head of sales and market development with Purely CRM. Here we're based in Vancouver, British Columbia, on the West Coast.
And I think it's one of the best names for a CRM company, Purely CRM. So tell us a little bit about what it's like in the Dynamics 365 CE, used to be known as CRM business on the
Yep.
West Coast.
Yeah. No, look, it's busy and it's growing. That's certainly what I can say. And we made a conscious decision when we started almost 7 years ago that we are going to just stick to Dynamics 365 CE or CRM or whatever it is called this week. For a reason. And that strategy has really panned out well for us. And a lot of organizations are looking for specialization in this area. So we're not doing ERP on Monday and CRM on Tuesday and SharePoint on Wednesday kind of thing.
So tell me a little bit about the types of clients that Purely CRM services.
Sure. So we have quite an array of clients, from smaller organizations, single owner to large corporations. The large corporations, we often work in partnership or in conjunction with larger SIs. As you know, we are I would classify as a boutique consultancy. So we bring some specialized skills to the table as part of some larger projects. So we're currently working on one of the largest CRM deployments in North America at this very moment. We're in partnership with another SI. We serve quite a number of different markets. We're focusing now on financial services and manufacturing, but we've also done quasi-government, non-for-profit, you name it.
So, and I think this is a great position for, Dynamics partners that have specialized in CE is this partner to partner sort of movement, because there's a lot of, MSPs, managed service providers, and, systems integrators from the ERP side that just don't have CRM expertise. And CRM can be a bit tricky. So, talk a little bit about that relationship you're building with these other partners.
Oh yeah, that's a great question. It's interesting. We started out as a consultancy only. We didn't even sell Dynamics. We just implemented it. We made a conscious decision last year that we would start actually selling and supporting the licenses. We work through a company called SureWeb, who is our CSP, our cloud service provider, that provision those licenses for us. And they've been fantastic in introducing us to other partners that complement what we do. And it's been not only just a great source of leads, but it's been a great opportunity to work with other professionals in the dynamic space.
So, talking about partner, we've got an upcoming webinar with an ISV, an independent software vendor, a CPQ provider called Cincom. Why don't we talk a little bit about that webinar?
Yeah, absolutely. So Cincom is a product called CPQSync. So that's configure price quote tool that is natively embedded in Dynamics 365. And we recently signed a partnership with Cincom to deploy that solution primarily here on the West Coast, North America, so throughout the US and Canada. And this webinar is our first opportunity to get the name out there and get the solution out there to the manufacturing space, in particular, organizations that have fairly complex order, or we'll say sales related order entry requirements.
And I think, Cincom is going to be a great partner for you because, they've got over 20 years experience in CPQ. And, now moving a lot of their applications to the cloud, I think they're bringing a lot of IP forward that, is going to be very specialized for, these types of organizations.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, Cincom's been around for a long time. They're a well-established organization. They've got a huge pedigree, lots of experience in CPQ. And now that they ported that expertise into the Dynamics world, I think they're just poised for some tremendous growth. And I think there's a pent-up demand for a solution like this.
Okay, Chris, uh, thanks for taking time today to talk to us a little bit about your upcoming webinar and what's going on at Purely CRM. And I'm sure at some point we'll be back to talk to you and find out, what's happening 6 months down the road.
Can't wait, Rick. Thank you very much.
Have a great day.